I'm Jimmy. Today I'll talk about the study alone. I prefer to study alone. I have two reasons to support my opinion. First, if I study to group, other friends will disturb me. This is because my friends are like game. I think maybe they are talk the game, then I can attention to the study. That means I want to study to alone. Second, if I study to alone, I can attention to study. This is because I listen to classic music and eat fruit, learning homework. It means I want to study to alone. Today I talked about the study alone. Thank you for listening my presentation.